guys, I have another Destash box here. I'm going to go through it quickly because my voice, I don't know how long it's going to hold out, but it is a medium flat rate priority mail box. It's going to be $100 flat rate shipping. I already said flat rate. PayPal, leave your name or your email address in the comments down below, and the first person to comment gets the box. I'll send you an invoice, and then as soon as I get the payment, I'll send the box out. Now I have 2 boxes like this, so if you see someone already put their name down and you want it, put your name down too. So I'm going to go through the best stuff in my opinion first. So we have one of these little ledger books from the Sun Life Insurance Company. Now this one, the cover fell off, but the rest of it's still intact, and it has a couple of pages in that nice vintagey tone. And this one is a full ledger book. Now this is exactly how I got it. It's kind of thin, but it's really cool. It's falling apart quite a bit. Now this is how I got it with these pages missing. It's got all kinds of writing on it, different pages. We got like a little newspaper clipping and different, I don't know, it kind of seems like maybe more than one person had been writing in this. It was really interesting to read through. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of writing on it, and there's a little paper in here. Where did it go? There's a, oh, is this it? I don't know. There's all kinds of like little papers in there. So there's that as well. And then these papers are so cool. These are from the 1800s. I just love that script. So we have this paper. Now there are 2 boxes, so the second box won't be exactly these papers, but you will have the same amount of 1800s papers and similar stuff. So this one's from 1870. Little note from 1895. Another note. When's this from? 1873. Here we have some accounting type stuff from the 30s. This at one point was together Navy certificate. And then we have some more accounting type ephemera. Bond and mortgage. It's just the sleeve. It's like, it's really interesting because it's like a fabric, which, I mean, I guess it held up. So, and then we have this little full book. It's got little diagrams and such, and then the ledger papers. So these are really humongous. So these are, let's see here, we've got 9, oh, sorry guys, 9, and then, what was that, almost 8, so we'll say 7.5, but it's really almost 8. So what is that, 16.5 inches tall, so really tall, and then it is 7 inches wide. And there are over 100 of these in this box, all front and back, all completely filled out. Really great, and really that's worth the price of the box right there in my opinion. That's usually so. Okay, so we also have some random vintage papers, like book papers, different sizes, different colors, different fonts. We've got some Italian in there. I like the, you know, they all work a little differently, like different when you collage with them and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of those in there. We have some receipts, some more book page, some dictionary page. This is from a magazine or a book or something. I don't even know where I got this. The Washington Star Garden book. So yeah, that's in there. A whole bunch of pages from that. And it's got, oh, it's got stuff like glued to it. That's cool. Yeah, I don't even know where I got this from. I hope someone didn't give this to me because this is really cool. Well, it's in here now at any rate. And then we have some Sears Roebuck from the 1800s, some pages from that. We have some vintage Targets. They just make really cool kind of fodder. And then this book has, or this box has, this isn't necessarily vintage. It is pretty old, but it's got a lot of cool imagery. Like even this stuff on the side is really cool. It looks like that homemade paper. So there's a whole bunch of these with different flowers and stuff, which is great for collage. And then I have this huge stack of photographs. I'm just going to go through them quickly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these are really cool. It has like this parchment paper that has like this linen texture. There's another one that will go in box 2 that has like a rose kind of embossed texture in it. I've lost what count I was on, but there's a whole bunch of these in there. And then we also have 3 rolls of the the vintage UK bus tickets. So we have the tan with the blue, the tan with the greenish, and then the pink ones. Oh, and then also, another photograph. A piano roll. This one's green, really cool color. And this whole book of sheet music. So it's a whole book. There's some notes and stuff in here, but a ton of sheet music. So yeah, $100 flat rate, priority, medium flat rate shipping. Comment your email down below. There's 2 of these boxes. It'll have all of the same ledger paper in it. But the other stuff will be the same, but like different pages, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.